What's going on, fellers and fellettes? Welcome back to the channel. Figure it's time I give you an update on the twin 4-banger big block. It's coming along. So before we get to that, I gotta tell you something. So most of y'all, if you're been here for a while, you knew me as Titanium Skull Racing. So the story behind that is when I was a kid, I got into a terrible accident and I shattered the entire right side of my skull. I don't know if you'll be able to see the scar, but it's right there. So that's where the name for the channel came from. But, I do other things than racing. So now we're hard-headed. Welcome to the hard-headed channel, my hard-headed fellers and fellettes. This is the boat. So we've pulled both fuel tanks. I ripped up all the carpet, pulled one drive out, pulled all the seats out. Everything's coming along. Got to redo the floor. Still a little bit of fuel back there. I'm gonna cut that center stringer out because I don't know why that's there. Stupid. Got to clean it up. Got to redo some inside. Got to redo the V-berth up there because the wood's rotten. But could sleep in here real nice. There's the chair. And then let's get to the other engine. There's the completed engine. And then there's the block for the second engine. Here's all the parts for the second engine. All the cleaned up parts. I had to buy this exhaust riser off eBay because that engine still had the iron one on it and it doesn't work real well. There's the radio out of the boat. I'll post a video with some speakers out of the boat. It's pretty funny. Here's the head and the cam. And we should be back in business pretty soon. Thanks for watching, fellers and fellettes. Welcome to the Hard-Headed YouTube channel now. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one where we will indefinitely have another running big block 4-banger. Peace out.